back to my channel. So today I'm creating this look. This is the Kylie Jenner inspired yellow makeup look. She had worn this look long time back and I loved it the second I had seen it. Now I think that she's one of the most prettiest girl and she carries off every makeup really bomb. Now before we start off the tutorial, I just want you guys to know that the aesthetics of her face and her eye is entirely different to the aesthetics of my face and my eye. The way the yellow eyeshadow looks on her face is entirely different to what it would look on my face. So please do not compare in those aspects, but enjoy the tutorial, learn the tips and tricks of creating this eye makeup. So if you want to know how to get this look, keep on watching. So guys, I'm gonna start using my primer and I'm using the Pack 4 primer. I mean, what do I tell you about this? This is my favorite. I do not put any other primer other than this, and I'm using my Pack 007 brush and I'm applying this everywhere where I feel my skin is textured. I'm gonna leave this for a while and I'm gonna start off with my eyes. Now the palette that I'm gonna use today is the Glitter Galaxy Daydream palette, and really love the shades in this palette. And we are mostly going to be using the brownish ones, the metallic golden ones, and of course the yellow, because that's going to be in the inner corner of my eye. Base of my eye, I'm going to use LA Girl concealer. I mean, I'm not using a primer today, but I'm using the concealer and I'm just gonna spread this across my lid. Now with my Pro Art AE24 brush, this is how the brush looks. I'm gonna take a shade of brown and I'm gonna go with this shade first, and taking a tad bit of it on my brush. Take off the excess. Let your blending go till the end of your brows, because we want to shape it very sharp, because Kylie wears a really sharp liner. I mean, her eyeshadows are very crisp and sharp from the edges. Now on the same brush, I'm gonna pick up the darker shade of brown, which is this shade out here, and very slightly I'm gonna push this in my socket. Blended both the transition shade and the rest of the eyes. We will do it at the last. So today for my foundation, I'm gonna go with the Bobbi Brown stick, and this is the shade Honey. I'm in the shade 5, and I'm gonna apply this all over my face. I really like foundation and stick formula because they are so easy to carry while you're traveling, and plus the coverage of this is buildable from medium to high coverage. So I know the amount that I require, and I'm directly gonna use this on my skin. Now using my Pack Flawlessly Me brush, I'm gonna spread the foundation. I'm gonna take this down to my neck as well. Now if you see the photo of Kylie Jenner, her face makeup is quite mattifying and it's not dewy, and that's exactly why I'm using my Bobbi Brown foundation today. I think the foundation looks quite flawless, and now I'm gonna go back with my beauty blender and I'm just gonna again push the product in. This is just my ritual. I feel that it gives a pro filtered finish to the skin, which is what I really like. I'm gonna use the Pro Concealer by LA Girl, and this is the shade Medium Beige. I'm not gonna gunk my face with the concealer. I'm using very little of this. Using my Pack 007 brush, I'm just gonna push my concealer. I'm gonna go back with my beauty blender again, and I'm just gonna redo my under eye. To set my eye, I'm gonna go with my current favorite. This is the Fit Me Loose Powder, and this is the shade Medium. And I'm just gonna take this much and I'm gonna take off the excess, and I'm gonna just set my under eye. Also, I'm gonna set my face, and I'm using my NC41 powder. This is the Studio Fix powder by MAC, and I'm taking this on my PAC 301 brush, and I'm just slightly applying the powder all over my face. I'm barely dipping in this. Look at the product. This is all I've taken. I'm gonna sweep it out under my eye as well, just in case there's no excessive product. My bronzer, I'm going with the Wet n Wild bronzer. We are gonna go with Fleeting Romance for our blush, and I'm taking this on my PAC 302 brush. Now our lips are on a very nude side, so I'm going with this lipstick first. This is by Nyx, and this is the shade Caramel Mocha 21M. And over that, I'm gonna apply the NYX lipstick, and this is the shade Lipply. Now, because she's used yellow, which is a very light, cool color, I'm gonna take my brush. This is by PAC 389, and I'm gonna take some setting spray. This is the Miss Claire Matte Finish setting spray, and I'm just gonna apply this on my brush. Let it dry off a little. And now I'm going to take this shade out here, this yellow and this yellow, both of them. I'm going to start with little and then gradually intensify it. This is how it should look after you've applied the yellow shade in the inner corner of your eye. Now I'm going to go with my lashes, and we will then apply a liner for the eye. So my lashes are on, guys, and now I'm going to apply my eyeliner, and this is the NYX eyeliner. I'm going to start from the center of my eye and take small section by section. I'm gonna go with my mascara. This is the Wet n Wild Max Volume Waterproof Mascara. I'm gonna apply the dark brown shade on the lower lash line. Now for my highlighter, I'm gonna go with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and this is Molten Gold. I'm gonna very gently apply this, very little of this, because Kylie's face wasn't like beaming with highlighter, but it was a very soft and subtle look. So I'm gonna take very tad bit of it on my PAC 103 brush and slightly apply this. A little on my nose. This is the final look. This is my version of the Kylie Jenner yellow eye look. I hope you enjoyed it. Now her wing liner is quite soft, but I wanted to keep it intense because you know me. If you have liked this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a video. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. That all is The Makeup by Cynthia. I will see you guys in my next episode. Till then, bye.